Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping one box of 2018 Prizm football. This is for Matthew C. Good luck, Matthew. Start here. Alrighty, let's do it. Let's see a monster hitting here for you. There's Darius Geis, silver. Derrick Henry. That is green crystals. Heck yeah, be awesome. This is Mike Hughes. And rookie auto, Anthony Miller. Sony Michel rookie. On land jack. There's Blue Scope, Nelson Aguilar, Jalen Samuels, Dak Prescott, silver insert, Andrew Luck, green hyper, that is Justin Tucker, die cut orange to 249. That is rookie auto, Darius Fountain. All right, Matthew. Should have one auto to go. Let's see an awesome one. There's Todd Gurley, silver. Terrell Edmonds, teal die cut. That is Marlon Mack, purple power. There's silver rookie, Arden Key. And to 99, that is Blue Scope auto, Simi Cobbs Jr. Well, I don't think we're going to find Lamjack in the autos. I think that was all three of them. Let's at least find a nice Lamjack rookie. Parallel would be even better. Roger Staubach, Ndamukong Suh, Red Wave. Ronald Jones, green hyper. Last pack. There's Trey Quinn, orange die cut rookie, DJ Moore. All right, well, that's going to do it for your box, Matthew. Thank you for the purchase. I appreciate it. We'll get this shipped right out to you.